Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Calum Scott here with the Then There Was You. Who is you? Perhaps it's Garfield. This is from the Garfield movie. Was a fan of Garfield? No, I don't believe that. I know about him, but I love my Mondays. So yeah, I have the possibility to be here in front of camera with you guys. So Monday is one of my favorite days. So let's start this week up with Calum Scott, Then There Was You. So we have 5-chord song here and one strumming pattern that works through entire song. Let's do that together. No need for any capo, so let's dive right into this chords. So we have the F first. It's a bar chord. You play the bar here on the first fret over all strings. Then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have A minor next. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have another bar chord here, the A sharp sus version. You still bar the first fret, but you don't have to bar the last E string here, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to add third on D and third on G. And the final chord is C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so there you have the chords. Let's go back to F and grab that one. We need to learn the strumming pattern. So one string around will be down, down, up, clap, up, down. So slowly it goes. So down, down, up, clap, up, down. So let's learn this together. First verse will be F, one string around, A minor 1, D minor 2, then A sharp 2, and C2. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. We do 1 round together. It goes like this. Play that for 2 rounds, and that is your verse play. Then comes the pre-chorus. You're gonna play A sharp 2 string rounds, C2, again A sharp 2, and C2. So A sharp 2, C2, you do that for 2 rounds, and that is your pre-chorus. Then over to chorus play. You're gonna play the exact same as the verse play. So F1, A minor 1, D minor 2, A sharp 2, and C2. You play that for 2 rounds, and that is your first chorus. Okay guys, so it's pretty much a repetition from now on. The second verse is played in the same way as the first one, 2 rounds of that. The same goes with the second pre-chorus, and the second chorus, instead of playing just 2 rounds, you play it for 4 rounds. After this second chorus comes the bridge part. It's about 1 minute and 54 seconds now into this song. You're gonna continue with the verse or the chorus play, whatever you wanna call it. It's the same. You play it for 1 round, and then you jump back to play the final chorus, which is another 4 rounds of the F, A minor, D minor, A sharp, and C. And that is the very end of this tale, Garfield movie, Then There Was You. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I did. And hope to see you back very soon again. Till then, play tuned.